Open Figma on your PC and load the project you want to convert. First, you'll need to install a plugin called Figroot. Click on the Figma menu icon in the top left corner. Hover over Plugins in the menu. Click on Manage Plugins. In the search bar, type Figroot. Once it appears, click Run to activate the plugin. Now go back to your design on the canvas. Click on the element you want to convert to React code. This can be anything: a button, a header, an image, a text block, or an entire section. Once you select the element, the Figroot panel will automatically generate the ReactJS code for that element. Take a quick look at the generated code to make sure everything looks correct. When you're happy with it, click the Copy button inside the plugin. Now open your React project in your code editor, like VS Code. Navigate to the correct component file where you want to paste the code. Press Ctrl-V to paste it in. Your Figma design is now converted into clean ReactJS code and ready to use. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.